Time now for the ridiculous, and tonight we're adding anyone who dares to sneeze in this guy's classroom. His name is Mr. Kukovich, and he's a health teacher in California. Now, I guess you could say Mr. Kukovich runs a pretty tight ship. He definitely does not like disruptions in his classroom, to the point that he reportedly took points off students' grades because they said "bless you" when someone sneezed in class. Now, before anyone gets all worked up about this has absolutely nothing to do with religion. It's a matter of discipline. Take it away, Mr. K.
It's not got anything to do with religion. It's got to do with an interruption of class time.
You may be wondering, how much can a sneeze possibly interrupt class time? Well, look, we're not talking about a little achoo followed by a simple bless you here. Oh, no, no, no. In Mr. Kukovich's classroom, one sneeze can apparently lead to utter pandemonium. Rowena Shaddix of KTXL Sacramento gets to the bottom of it.
He said a student sneezes in class, then one student says "bless you," followed by several students that say "bless you." The person who sneezes then has to thank everyone individually.
So wait a minute. Someone sneezes, a bunch of students say "bless you," and then the original sneezer thanks each student individually? This is simultaneously the most disruptive and most polite classroom in America. It sounds like the kids are playing a prank. Has anyone checked their backpacks for snuff? Because if there's one thing I know, it's that the kids today, they love the snuff. It isn't just the disruption that bothers Mr. Kukovich, it's the relevance of the "bless you" to begin with.
The blessing doesn't really make any sense anymore. When you sneeze, in the old days, they thought you were dispelling evil spirits out of your body. So they were saying, "God bless you," for getting rid of the evil spirits. But today I said, really what you're doing doesn't make any sense anymore.
He has a point. Nowadays, we all know that a sneeze isn't dispelling evil spirits. A sneeze is actually doing whatever a sneeze does. Whatever. Ask Mr. Kukovich. I'm not the health teacher here. I do agree with him that it's kind of passé. I know that I stopped saying "bless you" the minute I saw this on Seinfeld.
If you want to make a person feel better after they sneeze, you shouldn't say "God bless you." You should say, "You're so good looking."
So how much do you want to bet the students in that class are now going to start saying that? I'm sorry, Mr. K. But really, I'm thinking, why go after the students who say "bless you"? Let's get to the real problem here, the sneezers themselves. Let's get these kids some Claritin stat. The principal says the school does not condone docking students' grades because they say "bless you," and Mr. Kukovich says he won't do that anymore, but he isn't going to stop disciplining for disruptions. Look, I'm all for discipline in the classroom. This is how it starts, though, with the sneezing and the "bless youing," and if you don't draw the line, the next thing you know, the students are going to be coughing, they're going to be blowing the noses, handing each other cough drops. It's a complete free-for-all. Students say Mr. Kukovich is a great teacher and that this has all got blown out of proportion. So you just keep fighting the good fight, Mr. K. Keep fighting the Gesundheit.